Let's talk about this animal tonic called the yield. It is an animal tonic. It is an animal feed and water supplement. It is a growth promoter or a growth booster for all your livestock. Either it's cow, goat, fowl, dog fowl, or guinea fowl. It is also a growth promoter to them. So let's talk about the composition of this animal tonic. It contains vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin B1, B2, B6, vitamin D, vitamin E. It also contains nicotinic acid, lysine, chlorine chloride, antioxidant, water, and molasses. So it is also a preservative. Let's talk about the uses of this animal tonic. This animal tonic helps to prevent disease condition, which may also include debaking, vaccination, presence of predator, temperature, and minimize stress for optimal growth. And it is also general for all livestock. You can use it for both goats, cow, birds, etc. And this tonic is also designed supplement, and it is effective for treatment of vitamin deficiency, drop in egg production, feather pecking, and it can be used during antibiotics therapy. So it is a very good animal tonic. It is a preservative, a growth promoter, and feed supplement. What about the dosage and the administration? When you are using this animal tonic for poultry bed, you just need to give the birds 20 ml per liter of drinking water. As we know, drinking water contains 5 liters, so you just put 20 ml of this animal tonic to their drinking water. What if you are using it for cow? The same 20 ml per 50 kg body weight via drinking water for 5 to 10 days. That one is for cow or for goat. But if you are using it for poultry bed, you just have to give them either once in a week or twice in a week. So this real yield animal tonic is a very good growth booster. In case you need this animal tonic for your livestock, just contact the number showing on your screen there. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on our Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok. Bye. See you in our next video.